we're looking at a presentation program called SlidePoint, and you can find this at slidepoint.net, and it's basically for creating slideshow presentations, etc., etc. And basically this is what it looks like to create a new slideshow. You enter in the name here, which is going to be the world's end. You enter in the description. Already done that, and you select your category right here, and you enter in a few tags. I believe you can only have up to 6 tags. But yeah, enter up to 6 tags for your presentation. Limit 15 characters per tag. So we're going to go ahead and create this presentation. Now your presentation will be created, but it will not be, the public will not be able to see it until you say, hey, I need to make this public. So okay, we need to edit this presentation, and click there, and it will open up a new tab for you to edit this presentation. Processing. I recommend going through the tips here. It will show you what you need to do, but basically here is the slide. You can change the design. For example, change skin right there up in the left hand corner. And let's see, the last slide we used this skin here, but we're going to use a different skin, I think, for this slide. So let's take a look at the skins again, and there's quite a few skins you can do, and you can even create your own skin, but we're not going to create a skin. We're just going to pick one of the default skins really quick. Let's go with this one. So we have here this here, and we're going to go ahead and go to insert. We can add slides. You have your different slides here that you can choose from between text and columns, or text with title text and blah blah blah. We're just going to do a blank there's one with bottom caption. We're just going to do a blank canvas, so which it will create all these, and we're going to add a title real quick, and we're going to use the style here, and we're going to double click to add a title, The World's End. Okay, now to change the size of this, it's real easy. Go over here to design at the top, change your pixel size. I happen to like 65, and you can drag it out here and shorten it, and when you click off of that, it will unhighlight, and then you click on it again, and then you can move it by hitting the control and your arrow buttons to move it over, and we will center it basically. Actually, let's do that right there. That looks pretty centered. Alright. So we're going to go to the next page, and we're going to add another text by inserting text, and the style. Double click to insert, and let's see. The world is coming to an end. Now we go back to design and change the text size again to 65. And this is how I like to generally put my poetry, is like that. But since we're going to do something a little bit different today, we're going to line it up like that, and click on this, and we're going to put this one. We're going to stagger them, I think, all the way down. All the way down like this. As you can see, it takes a little bit of time to make a slideshow, but that is done basically, and we can go to the next slideshow and we will add more text. Go to the insert, add text, and style. But let's see, what could be the next text? There's always life around the bend. And we will change the text size to 65. There we go. We will stretch this out like so. Click on here and move it over to roughly center it and move it down a bit like so. There's always life around the bend. Let's see. Add another text, and we will do that. Waves wash away the shore. Okay. We will enter that text and change the size yet again. And we will change that like so and move it over and down. All the way down to the bottom. Now we need one more slide. We'll go with a blank slide, and we'll switch to that slide. Let's see, add text, style 6 down here. Let's see. Let's see, something that rhymes with shore. There is much lore, I guess, could work. Actually, let's do that a little bit longer. One will find much lore. Okay, now we can change the text size again to the magic 65. I know what you're saying, why not make it 69? Anyways, there we go. We'll just move this over and center it. And there you go, that is poetry on the fly. I will actually work on this and finish this, but I'm not going to create the whole poem during this video because it would take too long. You have a save reminder up here at the top. You can choose save now and it will save it for you. So you can actually go back to it later and it's relatively quick to save. Doesn't take much work at all to save it. And I will probably add images to this. That's pretty easy. Insert image. You can do it from library, computer, or the web. Just make sure you have the right link for the web. And it will ask you to crop the image, and then you can select the image and move it over and center it and blah blah blah. Pretty easy stuff. You can add video, YouTube stuff, and quiz questions if you would like. There's all kinds of stuff you can do, and when you can also preview it by clicking the eye over here in the top right, and it's loading, and you can move through the buttons like so, and it will be done. Alright, so now we go over here to settings up in the top right hand corner since it's already been saved, and presentation settings. and you mark it as complete whenever you want to, and then hit the back button whenever you want to do that. And now you can also choose down here, allow users to click anywhere on a slide to move to the next slide, and I will show you that real quick. You basically go back there, close it, and then hit preview again, and it will generate the preview. And you can now click on the slide here itself, and it will move around and go through the slides, like so. Alright, and that's it. The link is SlidePoint.net. I will have the link in the description for easy access. And I really appreciate you guys watching this. If you would like more videos like this, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. 2 very easy things you could do to help me out. And I will get more videos out to you shortly. Thanks for watching.